Emergencies can happen anywhere, so it's important to know how to provide basic life support care. Basic life support is a level of medication care used in emergencies to help someone whose breathing or heartbeat has stopped. It involves recognizing life-threatening situation, providing high-quality chest compression, delivering rescue breath, and using an AED if needed. Basic life support is usually performed by healthcare providers or first responders until the person recovers or more advanced care takes over. Tap the victim's shoulder and shout, "Are you okay?" Use the head tilt and chin lift technique, checking for the breathing. Ask another rescuer to call an ambulance. Place one hand on top of the other and interlace your finger. Place the heel of your hand in the center of the victim's chest. Compress the chest 30 times to a depth of 5 to 6 centimeters. To deliver ventilation, thin the victim's head back and pinch the nose shut. Take a normal breath and blow into the victim's mouth. Repeat the chest compression. When you see signs of the victim regaining consciousness, such as breathing, coughing, or moving purposefully, stop CPR and put victim in a recovery position and waiting for the ambulance come.